Hi everyone, Alex Shikany from A3 here with an exciting announcement. Your new home for automation, automate.org, is now live. So head over to the website, check out the new resources, connect with leading companies, and engage with A3. The new website is emblematic of our transformation as an association. A3 is now one association with one membership for all companies involved in automation from around the world. We couldn't be more excited about this change. But it's really the achievements and support of all of our member companies, 1,100 plus, over the past nearly 50 years that have gotten us to this point today. RIA, AIA, MCMA, and A3 Mexico are not going away either. In fact, they're strengthening. They're evolving to become A3 Robotics, Vision and Imaging, Motion Control and Motors, and a brand new artificial intelligence community within automate.org. There's never been a more exciting time for the automation industry. Areas like logistics and warehousing, life sciences, agriculture, aerospace, retail, automotive, construction, you name it, automation is having a huge impact on the way business is done. And it doesn't matter which industry you come from or what your specific challenges are necessarily. When you arrive at automate.org and A3, I can assure you, you're going to find the products, the services, the content or training, and most importantly, the connections that you need to successfully tackle your automation challenges. When you're at automate.org, please also consider our A3 membership options. We have added a tremendous amount of new value to these membership tiers, and we really have something for every company involved in automation. So please join us at automate.org and at A3. We look forward to this exciting journey together. See you soon.